Welcome. This is Tyron here with We Auto Detailing service in the Atlanta and Metro Atlanta area. And today we're going to go over our schedule for today when it comes to managing our car detailing business. So right now it's about 10:30-ish and we just not leaving the gym. We pretty much start our days around this time, 11:30 is when we pretty much start working. And today we're looking at pretty much sending out some emails out to our customers. We're also going to put together some reoccurring yearly emails. So like, we haven't done this yet. We do have emails in our system where we email our customers like that haven't visited us in a while, customers that customers that also we want to ask for reviews for and things like that, but we don't have anything like that's automated that automatically sends out emails like for holidays and things like that. We have birthday emails that goes out, and we have a few other emails that goes out automatically. So what I want to do today is I want to go ahead and email and put together these automatic emails that are going to happen recurrently every year on that day. So every Christmas, every New Year's, every St. Patrick's Day, every Thanksgiving, all these different holidays, we want to have a yearly automated email go out. That way we can make sure we touching our customers as much as possible. So we don't have that now. So by adding that, it would definitely make our business get a lot more customers and whatnot. So in addition to that, for today, it's a Friday, so I do want to take it a little light. Yesterday we did some work in the field, and today we're going to be out of the field unless a detail come in. So in addition to that, I just want to make sure that I'm looking over some of our website stuff, doing some SEO stuff if necessary. And that's about it, man. I don't have anything else on the schedule. But starting next week, I'm going to start calling all of our customers. So I started doing this before, but I'm going to go ahead and finish up. So I still have a couple thousand people to call, maybe 1,000 and some change of people to call. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull out that list, and I'm going to work on that all next week. So if I can do like 100 a day or so, actually, it may take at least like 2 weeks to do that. But when I'm done with it, after that, I'm thinking now my next step may be to start doing some outreach to dealerships and stuff like that. So this is literally like my second week working on the business and not in the business. And even this week, I had to actually spend some time in the field still. So I haven't completely removed myself out of the field just because I have contractors, but just not enough in my system. I have 2 people, but I think I need a third person that has a little bit more availability. That way I can be able to they can fill in when nobody else can. So I'm still like the backup. I kind of like being the backup because it helps with just staying and get some content or whatever I need, some pictures and stuff like that for like the week coming. That way I can post it on my Google, my business. But yeah, all that stuff helps, and we're just trying to get used to working in the business. On the business, I would say so far it's kind of tough because I'm not making the same amount of money as I'm used to. However, like, the business is taken care of, and we do make some money, but it's going inside like the accounts that's designated for like marketing and phone service and emergency expenses. So we have these accounts set up, and it's automatically going in there for savings. So it's hard to say if the business is sustainable. I know it's definitely sustainable by itself if nobody else needed to survive from it. Over time, the account would just continue to grow and we'll keep making money. But is it sustainable to support the owner or whoever's running the business? That's what I'm still trying to figure out why I'm working on the business, not in the business. And yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm working on it. I'm just analyzing every single day. And I also want to do some accounting stuff. That was part of my schedule for today, actually. So depending on how these emails go for today, I may fit in some accounting stuff just to try to get an idea on like what the account looking like so far this year. That's something I haven't been able to do over the past year. So being able to look over that accounting stuff throughout the year is definitely something that will be a great help for the business. Just to get an idea, like I want to know like what are the fixed expenses and expenses that are absolutely needed for the business, and how does that compare with like the monthly income or estimated monthly income with the contractors and everything. So it's still stuff that I'm trying to work out and see like how I can get this business to the next level while working on the business, not in the business. But it's just a lot of work, man. But I think this video is pretty much talked about a lot of different things, and I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. And this was just a video about my today's schedule, what I'm looking forward to, how I'm planning out my days for a business owner and car detailing and mobile detailing, man. So if y'all have any questions, y'all like the video, make sure I hit the like, subscribe, and comment button and let me know, man. Thank y'all.